In this video, I will show you how to create a Zoom meeting link for a recurring meeting. To do this, simply go and open up Zoom, and in Zoom what you want to do is go to Schedule. From within Schedule, just go and give it a name, for example, recurring weekly meeting. Then you can set the first date on which it will occur, such as the 28th at 4 p.m, as well as the duration. Now from here you can then enter the time zone, and importantly you want to go and set it to a recurring meeting. Now recurrence, for example weekly, repeat every 1 week and it occurs on Thursday. Then you can set an end date if you want, or after a certain amount of occurrences. I'll say no end time. Now you can invite people that you want to be invited every single time this meeting happens, so you can enter their usernames or email addresses. You can select a template if you have them, and you can set a passcode right here. Now you can choose if you want a waiting room, and from there just go and click save. And now here you have the invite link for your recurring weekly meeting. So just go and copy this, as well as sharing the passcode with the people that will be doing it. And you can add it to your calendar if you want. But now you can see if you now go to this meeting, you can then go and join the meeting. So that's how to create a meeting link for a recurring meeting in Zoom. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.